Just when people needed hope, God would send a baby, a king, to offer a foretaste of a better future. But why? Why was a virgin chosen to be the mother of Jesus? Why would an earthly man be chosen to raise a baby sent from heaven? Why choose the lowliest of men to be the first to see the newborn king? Why did kings come from the east to worship the King of the Jews? Why Bethlehem? And perhaps the most important question, why should we care? And what should the baby in Bethlehem mean to me?
I'm David Jeremiah. Won't you journey back with me to a faraway place and to a time that might otherwise be forgotten?
This Christmas, travel back in time as we answer the mystery, the meaning, and the question, why the Nativity?